Hello friends, welcome to my channel at all. Today we will learn everything about ultrasonic sensors and how to interface it with Arduino. In this video we will see how ultrasonic sensor work, then we will use a specific sensor which is HCSR04 and we will talk about its specifications, and then I will give you some project ideas that you can make. Even I will make few of them in next series, so don't forget to subscribe. And next in our video we will see pin configuration and circuit diagram, and after that I will explain its programming and show this in action in simulator. So now let's start our video. How ultrasonic sensors work. Basically our sensor sends a high frequency sound and technically we call it ultrasounds, and that's why our sensor is called ultrasonic sensors. See, everything is so logical. So our sensor sends ultrasound and it comes back after reflection due to the object present in front of it, and then the sensor receive it back. Well, this reflection of sound is the actual reason for echo, and I would like to tell you that even bat works on this same phenomena. Bat? No? Okay. Coronavirus, bat, now you can relate, yeah? So now we will calculate the time period by using a simple formula, that is speed is equal to distance by time, and we can also call it like time is equal to distance upon speed. So basically the speed of ultrasound is 340 meter per second or 0.034 centimeter microseconds. Now let's say object is at 1 centimeter. So our ultrasound have to travel 2 centimeter as distance covered will be twice. Now using the formula time is equal to distance upon speed, we get the time equal to 58.8 microsecond. This is the actual formula that we will use for programming our microcontroller. Here you can see that echo pulse width divided by 58 will give the distance in centimeter. Right now we are talking about that, and now you know that from where this 58 comes. And similar way, when distance is in inches, you will get 148. Just apply that formula using inches and you will get 148. Now in our project we will use HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, and its specifications are working voltage is 5 volt, working current is 15 milliampere, working frequency is 40 hertz, max range is 4 meter, and minimum range is 2 centimeter. You have to keep this maximum and minimum range in your mind while selecting a ultrasonic sensor. You can get ultrasonic sensor with more range like that, and its measuring angle is 15 degree. Now let's see some projects that you can make. So you can make digital scale from which you can measure distance in centimeter, millimeter and inches. You can use different units. Then parking sensor, you can use it in your car, which will help you in parking by giving you the idea of distance between wall and the car. Then blind stick, a stick which will tell the user if something is in front of him or not. Very useful for blind people. Then you can make some IoT projects like distance avoiding bot, water level indicator, etc. Well, now I have a good news for you. There is a workshop on IoT and automation on 15 July and 18 July. If you are interested, link is in description. Go and register. You will get all information from the link. Now let's move to pin configuration. So our sensor have 4 pins: VCC, trigger, echo and ground. VCC and GND is for plus 5 volt and ground, for power connections. Now trig pin is responsible for transmission of ultrasound and echo pin is responsible for receiving it back. Trig pin is output pin and echo pin is input pin. Now let's see circuit diagram. So here you can see that VCC and GND pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to 5 volt pin and ground pin of Arduino respectively, and trig pin is connected to pin 2 of Arduino and echo pin is connected to pin 4 of Arduino. Basically you can connect trig and echo pin with any digital pin except pin 0 and 1. And I will suggest you that please avoid PWM pins also. Now after circuit diagram, let's move to programming. Before starting this, I want to inform you that code for project that we made in last video is available. Check the description of this video or the last video. Now let's start coding. In first line, I initialized a global variable of long time and its name is watch. Now we move to setup function. Here in first line, serial communication is initialized at baud rate of 9600. Then pin 2 is initialized as output for trig pin and pin 4 is initialized at input for echo pin. Now let's go to loop function. In first line, there are 2 variables of int type, cm and inch. Then we set pin 2 to low. In next line, we stop the program for 2 milliseconds. Then in next line, pin 2 is high, means our ultrasonic sensor is sending ultrasound. And in next line, we are freezing our program for 10 milliseconds. Then in next line, we are again setting pin 2 to low. And in next line, we are reading the time duration using pulse in function. Here, pulse in function waits for the data to come, and when it stops coming, it holds the data, and here this value is stored in watch variable. And what is this value? This is the echo pulse width value that we have seen where we were doing calculations. Now CM variable will store watch upon 58. Now you can see that we are using the result of our calculation here, and in inch variable we are storing watch upon 148. Actually this cm and inch value holds the actual centimeter and inch value, and in next two lines we are printing these values on serial monitor, and in last line we are delaying our program for 100 milliseconds. Now I hope you understand this programming. Now I will show you this code in action in simulator. So let's go. So this is our circuit, this is our code, and I will press start simulation and open serial monitor. Now when you press on this sensor, now here you can see that there is a small object of blue color, and when you will move it, distance will change, and you can see that from here to here this is 15 degree, and from here to here how much it is, this is 308 centimeters. Okay, this is a simulator. It can't be 100% accurate, but we can understand basics from here. So you can see that whenever I am changing the position of this object, here in serial monitor different values are printed for inch and centimeter. Here centimeter is printing 118 and inch is printing 46. Here you can see that even they are showing the same value, and when I increase the distance, here you can see that centimeter is 249 or sometimes showing 248 or 249, and actually this is close to 249, and in inch it is 97, and same here. Now time to summarize our video. Here we use speed equal to distance upon time to get the value of time needed to travel 1 centimeter by ultrasound, and then in our program we get the real time values of time taken and divided it by the value that we have get from our equation, and the result was quite precise as we checked it in our simulator. Now I am ending this video. Go and watch other videos if you want to know about how to interface other sensors with Arduino, and please like and comment and subscribe at all. Okay guys, signing out.